Right, YouTube people, we've not been out for a while. We've been busy filming at Santa Pod and doing other stuff, so we've not been attending many car meets. It's Halloween tonight, so we've got to come out. This meet is out of London, so we're just turning up at the second location. We didn't go to the first one. We're just turning up to an industrial estate down south, outside of London. So we're going to go in, park up and see what's going on. It looks like it's a busy meet already though. There's loads of cars going in. That's a better space. Let's have a walk up here now. I think my car might have got towed where it was before, or clamped or something like that, so I feel better with it there. I don't know if there's a drift circle or people just drifting in the road up here. Right, we've got a bit of a quiet moment, so we've got a big drift circle behind us. Everyone's around it with their fireworks and there's cars coming in. I've just got to hope there's a few more cars turn up. The guy's putting his plates back on, so I guess he's not drifting. I think there's one police car possibly at the entrance, so new location's been given, and you can see everyone's heading back to their cars. I don't think it's too far away, but what we do, we jump back in ours and just go and park up. There's a lot of people out tonight. Right, we're off. The police have turned up, so we're making a move. And my guess is, yeah, there you go. He's pulled someone in as he's come past, and I bet his number plate's just either wrongly spaced or spells something it shouldn't. Yep. Right, I'm always in the dark somewhere. We've managed to park out the way. We've not even come into the location, we're outside. Right, I think I've got to try and cross this road and get over the other side without getting myself run over. Right, let's go. Right, here we go. We'll spin this round and come over here. That was a bit f***ing close. There's police coming in right over here behind us. So that might be a short-lived location, this one. Just taking the piss. You're going to do some drifting tonight or at any car meet, take your f***ing plates off. One, it's easier for me. I don't have to do any blurring. And two, there's no evidence. So just take your plates off if you're going to do drifting. Simple as that. What are you saying? I'm on the move again. Somewhere dark. Don't know where I am in the world. I'm hungry. Again. Could do with a drink.
Your manner.
It's not my manner. We're going this way, and at some point I will get a coffee.
exit the roundabout onto Hale Road.
Exactly. But no, it's a good little meet, good locations. I think we're moving a bit too early.
300 yards, turn left onto
She's getting on my nerves.
Road A3016.
But yeah, that's all right. Right, after another long drive in these dark and horrible woods round here, we've turned up at a Tesco's. So I've parked in the corner. I'm not sure what's going on, where the area is, but there's loads of people turning up. I'd imagine this might be the last location, so we'll jump out and see what's going on. I think this is going to be the last location, but we've got all the fireworks here now, and we've got a nice little drift area. Right, so there's police cars coming in. So I think that's going to be it for the night. That was a good last location. We had the fireworks go off. So we're going to try and find somewhere to get something to eat, and we're going to call that a night. So as always, thanks to all the people who come out, thanks to the drifters, thanks to the organisers, and stay tuned to more videos. God bless.